Okay, today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting unlike fractions. I have one done already. If we look at number 2, we have 2/5 plus 3/4. First thing we need to do is find our common denominator. One thing that always works, you can take 5 times 4, your bottom times your bottom. That will give us our common denominator. What I did, 5 times 4 is 20. Since we changed the bottom, we have to change the top, so we take 2 times 4 and get 8. 4 times 5 gave us 20. So we take 3 times 5 and get 15. If we add our top numbers, 8 plus 15, we get 23. Bottom stays the same at 20. To change this to our mixed number, 20 goes into 23 one times. With 3 left over, bottom stays the same. If we look at number 4, we have 6 and 9. Okay, you can take 6 times 9 and get 54, or you can think, well, 6 and 9 both go into 18. 6 times 3 is 18, so we take the top times 3 and get 15. Make sure you bring your sign over. 9 times 2 is 18, so we take 7 times 2 and get 14. Then we remember our adding rules for integers. Signs are different, we subtract. Big minus small, 15 minus 14 is 1. Bottom stays the same. The bigger number was negative. If we look at number 10, we have a negative 9/10 and a negative 1/3. We'll put our plus sign in front of the minus to start with. We have 10 and 3. 10 times 3 is 30, and that will work for our common denominator. 10 times 3 gave us 30, so we take 9 times 3 and get negative 27, bring our plus sign over. 3 times 10 is 30, so we take 1 times 10 and get 10, bring our sign over. In this case, our signs are the same, so we add. 27 plus 10 is 37 over 30, and since they were both negative, we'll put our negative sign in. To change this to an improper mixed number, 30 goes into 37 one time, with 7 left over. Bottom stays 30, bring over our sign. When we get to a problem such as number 18 with a mixed number, we have 1 and 7/8 plus 3 and 1/3. We have to find our common denominator for 8 and 3, which could be 24. 8 times 3 is 24. 7 times 3 is 21. Bring our whole number over. Put our plus sign in. 3 times 8 is 24. So we take 1 times 8 and get 8. Bring our whole number over. We'll add our top numbers. 21 plus 8 is 29.
Lloyd Trout, if you're in the building, please stop by the main office. Lloyd Trout.
Then we add our whole numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. Notice we have an improper fraction here. So for this part, 24 goes into 29 one time with 5 left over. Once we have that as a mixed number, we're going to take our 1, add it to our 4, and get 5 and 5/24.